muscles, yan. Pina-fast forward ko lang. You see, the muscles in between, pag nag-deep breath, pak, keeps your ribcage expanded. Ganyan ka-expanded yan throughout the song. Hindi siya collapse. Oh, napa-fast forward lang tayo. But yun na nga yun. So that's why you have to keep your ribcage up. Yeah. Okay, so, tingnan nyo kung paano nag-flatten yung diaphragm.
Is the rest of one breath every 5 seconds, similar to the breathing of a person at rest. Since we normally breathe about 16 to 20 times per minute, we breathe in and out an amazing 25,000 times a day. The ribs cover a large portion of the surface of the lungs, which is why the movement of the ribs has such an effect on the lungs. Moving the ribs outward causes the lungs to expand, resulting in a partial vacuum and causing air to flow in. Moving the ribs inward compresses the air in the lungs, causing it to flow outward.
Kaya hindi pwede mag-collapse.
In everyday breathing, this process is small and quick. But in singing, we need to expand the ribs much more. And then to keep them expanded as singing begins, the external intercostals must remain contracted so the ribs stay out, suspended in an open position, and only gradually relax toward the...
Ay? Ba't parang naputol? Forward mo na lang, but at least we got the point. Na-pause siya. Okay, then it might move again. Yun nga lang kasi ito, na-burn ko lang. Aha. Uh-oh. Yan na nga. Minsan, yun ang nangyayari sa kanya. But you get the point. That's it eh. Hindi yan dapat mag-collapse until the end of the song. Nowhere in between the phrases. Kasi pag nag-collapse siya in between, where's your gasoline? You have no control. Narinig niyo yung boses ni Van? Okay, biglang, with better use of breath, there's your voice. Okay? But, if you don't maximize. Kaya nga sa umpisa, sabi ko, ang ano eh, we are learning how to use our body para may functional efficiency eh. Yan ang maganda. Ibig sabihin, umaandar lahat ng tama na nasusulit. Nasusulit. At lumalabas tuloy sa resulta nito, yung talagang boses nyo. Ito na, lumalabas na nga sa tamang paggamit ng aparatus, sa tamang paggamit ng mechanism. Lumalabas yung talagang tunay na boses mo. Yun nandun, kung anong pinanganak na yan ang magiging tunog nyo. Yun na yun. Alright. Sana, umandar pa to. Kasi naghang siya. Ganda. Kasi gusto niya ipagdiinan sa inyo siguro na dapat suspended ang inyong. Okay, subukan natin. Tuwing minsan nagpo-forward sa daming laman nito, naghang siya.
I-rewind mo na konti.
Try natin. Sige, re-rewind ng konti. It's a, I don't know, parang VCD ata siya. Hindi. Oo, yan na nga, nawala. Oo, mag-uumpisa na naman siya. Sana hindi. Oo nga. Wow.
Fire!
Ayaw niyang,
Namiss ko nga ako.
nag-umpisa na naman siya. But anyway, sige.
Oh my God, ganyan na ganyan tunog ng choir.
Okay, so we're gonna try and fast forward. Sana man na.
Sana man. Sir, the Cowboy produced by PSD.INZ.
Incorporated.
I know.
Sabi ko na nga, ay din yun. Lain talaga yun.
May ganun siyang moves.
Tahimik na nga ako eh. Nakamute siya.
Sino yan?
Yan.
Ayan na, ay, ikaw yan! Ikaw yan! Ang galing nga, ang galing mo na yan. Ba't ikaw yan?
And in singing,